is a MACE missile designed to carry a nuclear warhead. During the Cold War, the United States secretly installed nuclear weapons at this launch pad in Okinawa. Most of them were aimed at China. Today, the nuclear missile site is run by a Buddhist organization, the Soka Gakkai, as a peace museum.
In 1962, the atomic weapons loaded on the missile was almost launched.
They're almost launched.
Yeah, according to the spokesman of this military base, said they were ordered to prepare, then received second order to stop it.
One of the American servicemen whose job was to fire the MACE missiles has since revealed that China was a nuclear target during the Cuban Missile Crisis in 1962.
We were told that we had to launch all the missiles, but we only had one missile headed towards Russia, and we did not see why we should have to involve the other countries. The captain suggested that everybody crack the doors open, so it would take less time to launch a missile if the doors were cracked open.
One of the launch crews was on the point of firing their missiles when a duty officer suspected the order was false.
The launch officer on the B side was told to send 2 men over there with .45s and to shoot anybody that tried to launch until the situation was resolved. And it would only take like 15, 20 seconds to run the distance between the two command centers. So those 2 men kept that whole crew at bay while we made a decision as to what to do. And it wasn't very long, maybe 2 or 3 seconds later, where a very nervous major came over the intercom issuing the stand down order. And then we just kind of looked at each other like we could have exterminated the whole planet.
The major who had given the launch order was quietly court-martialed and dismissed from the Air Force.
That morning is just as familiar to me and as clear as yesterday morning is. And this is 53 years later. And how clear blue the sky was. And there was just some very light clouds, and there was a perfect breeze blowing and a perfect temperature. I did not know what the temperature was, but it just felt perfect. And we were all just kind of taking it in and taking in the smell of the air and the sea and the land mixture together, and everything smells so beautiful.
This is very interesting because it shows the cities in China where these MACE missiles were aimed at.
Yes.
Which ones do we have here?
This is Okinawa Island. So within 2,000 kilometers, you find Peking or Beijing, Xi'an, UK, and Hong Kong, Shanghai, Taiwan, Taipei, and Pyongyang, North Korea, within the range of missile.